In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Trello. 5 minutes. Let's start by getting into Trello and opening the board. You want to turn into a template. Choose a board that already represents a process you repeat often, like onboarding, content production, or sprint planning. It helps to tidy the board first. Archive outdated cards, standardize list names, and make sure the layout reflects the ideal workflow. A clean starting point makes every copy easier for you and your team. Once your board is open, look to the top right. Depending on your view, you'll either see Show Menu or a three-dot icon. Open that menu. In there, find and select Make Template. Trello will ask you to confirm, so click Make Template again. After that, the board becomes a reusable template. Anyone with the right permissions can copy it to spin up a fresh board with the same lists, labels, and structure. This is a great time to double-check that no sensitive or personal information is left on the template. Keep it generic and only include what every new board should inherit, like example lists, sample cards, and labels. Now, templates aren't just for boards. You can also create a card template for tasks you repeat frequently. Open the card you want to use as your blueprint. Before you make it a template, add everything you want new copies to include. This could be checklists with clear steps, labels for categorization, attachments like reference docs, and any other useful details. Keep descriptions concise and avoid adding private or one-off information. The goal is to create a consistent, reusable pattern. With the card open, flip to the back of the card. In the Actions section, click Make Template. Trello will confirm that the card is now a template, and you'll see a badge on the front of the card indicating its template status. From now on, you'll be able to create new cards based on that template in just a couple of clicks, and each new card will inherit the structure, checklists, and labels you set up. To recap, open your board, use the menu to make it a template, confirm, and keep it clean and reusable. For tasks you repeat, set up a card with the right details, then mark it as a template from the card's actions. With both board and card templates in place, you'll save time, reduce mistakes, and keep your workflows consistent across projects.